Okay, on video 10, I had showed and picked this chalet lock that I got from a storage unit place. And the 5 anti-pick mushroom pins was what caught my eye and made me buy this lock. And so I finally got to cutting it apart. I took the core out of the lock. Here's the bitting that was on the key. I had to go in from the top because the core and the Bible won't come apart. So I had to go in from the top. I lost one of the key pins somewhere, I don't know where, but that's not what I was after. I was after to see if it had the mushroom pins. And I don't know if you can see that. Or not on this camera, but it did have the mushroom pins. All 5 are the mushroom pin, which surprised me. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to see that too well. But they are small. But it did have the mushroom pin, so I was kind of surprised myself. There, you might can see that a little better. Especially this one here. But I said that I would take it apart. It took longer than what I planned on, but I got it apart. So there's what was inside that chalet lock. So everyone, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Be safe, be good, be legal. Have a good one, guys. See ya.